There's no questioning that the most popular time of the year to get a tattoo is in the summer. And with that said, the summer is the worst time to get a tattoo for multiple different reasons. Getting a tattoo in the summer will not only put a screeching halt to all of your summer plans, but it's also going to ruin that new tattoo that you just got. So in this video, we're gonna be talking about 3 reasons why getting a new tattoo in the summer is just a horrible idea. And starting with number 1 is the sun, AKA
the tattoo killer.
Now, I talk a lot about how the sun affects tattoos on this channel because it is a serious thing. No matter if your tattoo is brand new or old, it's gonna either fade or just straight up ruin that joint. You see, the reason why the summer is such a popular time to get tattooed is because we're outside more. The warmer weather is here, we're going swimming, going on hikes, we're wearing less clothes, and with those tattoos that we have or we plan on getting, we could show off more. And that sounds great, right? Well, yeah, but no. You see, with tattoos, you want to avoid the sun at all costs, especially the fresh ones, because you can't really apply any kind of sunscreen to it because it's still healing and that sunscreen can irritate it. But something where it's healed, like all my tattoos are, you know, you can apply some sunscreen, which, as I'm recording outside right now, it's protecting my tattoos. Ideally, with a fresh tattoo, you want to stay inside. And who wants to stay inside on a nice summer day? Not this guy, obviously. And if you're wondering, yes, I purposely filmed this video outside because we're talking about the summer, it's nice out, and we're talking about tattoos. All right, so number 2, you like swimming in pools, lakes, oceans? Well, if you have a new tattoo, I would not really recommend that. You cannot submerge it like at all. Let's just say you went swimming with a brand new tattoo. Well, what happens is, since it's an open wound, it's gonna break down that ink, completely fading out that tattoo. Or let's just say you go swim in, say, a pool that has chlorine, it's gonna irritate the absolute crap out of it. Or if you go into like a lake or whatever, you have a high chance of getting a tattoo infection from all the bacteria in the lake. So no pool parties, no beach trips, and no diving headfirst in the lakes. Now, if you have tattoos that are fully healed, by all means, go swimming, do it up, do whatever you want. But if you decide to get a tattoo in the summer and it's healing, just know that a good chunk of your summer is gonna be wasted because you gotta wait until that tattoo is fully healed to do any of these fun summer activities like swimming. If you can, try and plan to get that tattoo earlier, like right before summer, just so you give your tattoo enough time to fully heal. Because if you try to go and just say, screw it, I'm gonna get that tattoo in the summer, and try to be careful with you going to swim, it's just gonna be a pain in the butt for you, and you just don't wanna have to worry about it, and plus, it's not worth it, so just don't do it. Number 3 is sweat, and it's the summer. We're gonna be sweating a lot. During the summer, it's hot out. We're pretty much guaranteed to sweat, or maybe you're trying to get a last minute workout in to perfect that summer body you've been working on. Now, if you were to get a new tattoo and you're sweating and that said sweat gets into your tattoo, well, it's gonna irritate the absolute hell out of it, or that sweat could actually just straight up ruin your tattoo. As gross as it sounds, your sweat, it has salt in it and bacteria. So when that sweat goes into your new tattoo, it can cause a pretty nasty infection. So not only will it ruin your tattoo, but it will also ruin your precious summer as well. Seriously, if you are somebody that really wants to get that tattoo and have it ready to be shown off during the summer, try to schedule getting it a few months before, just so you don't have to worry about all these things. You'll have that tattoo all healed up perfectly, and you won't have any limitations for the summer, and your summer won't be ruined. It's a win-win. Now, if you want to learn more about tattoos, be sure to check this playlist out right here, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.